The GPU market has always been a battlefield where AMD and NVIDIA fight for the crown of performance, efficiency, and value. Every generation brings fresh excitement and debates, and in 2025, all eyes are on AMD's latest powerhouse, the Radeon RX 9070 XT. Positioned as one of AMD's strongest cards yet, the big question is whether it can truly outrun the fastest GPUs of 2025, including NVIDIA's RTX 5090 and Intel's latest Arc Battlemage flagships. This analysis explores everything you need to know: specs, performance benchmarks, architecture, features, pricing, and how it stacks up against competitors. AMD's GPU journey over the last decade has been one of steady innovation. From the Polaris-based RX 400 series to the game-changing RDNA architecture, AMD managed to close the gap with NVIDIA in both gaming and professional workloads. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. RDNA 3, powering the 7000 series, delivered impressive performance per watt gains but was still challenged by NVIDIA's monstrous RTX 4090. Now, AMD has unveiled RDNA 4, the architecture behind the Radeon RX 9000 series. With the 9070 XT being one of the most hyped models, this card is positioned as the ultimate balance of raw speed and efficiency. For many enthusiasts, the key question is whether RDNA 4 finally gives AMD a clear lead. The 9070 XT is built on AMD's refined RDNA 4 architecture, manufactured on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process node, which allows more transistors, higher clock speeds, and better power efficiency. Here's what early leaks and official reveals suggest. GPU architecture: RDNA 4. Process node: TSMC 3nm. Compute units: CUs 128 CUs, approximate. Ray accelerators: enhanced third-generation units. AI accelerators: new RDNA AI cores integrated for machine learning workloads. VRAM: 24 GB GDDR7. Memory bus: 384-bit wide. Bandwidth: over 1.3 terabytes per second. Boost clock: up to 3.2 GHz. TDP: around 350 W. The inclusion of GDDR7 memory is a huge deal, as it not only delivers blistering speeds but also higher efficiency compared to GDDR6X used in NVIDIA's 5000 series. The card is expected to handle 8K gaming and demanding AI-driven tasks with much greater headroom. Performance testing is where things get exciting. Based on early benchmarks and independent leaks, the Radeon RX 9070 XT shows massive gains compared to the 7900 XTX, making it at least 60 to 70% faster in rasterization-heavy games and significantly more competitive in ray tracing. 4K gaming: averaging over 180 FPS in top AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077 with RT off, and hitting 120+ FPS with ray tracing enabled. 8K gaming: capable of sustaining playable 60 FPS in optimized titles, making it one of the first AMD cards truly ready for 8K gaming. VR performance: thanks to RDNA 4's improved pipeline, VR headsets achieve smoother frame times and reduced latency. When compared to NVIDIA's RTX 5090, the results are mixed. In traditional